Hi, Patric Chan here. I'm a ClickBank Super Affiliate and ClickBank Platinum Partner. In fact, I've just received this email from ClickBank for my 2020 ClickBank Platinum status. Now, what does actually being a ClickBank Platinum Partner actually means? It simply means that I'm one of the top 1% on ClickBank. So ClickBank have hundreds of thousands of affiliates, maybe millions. So we are the top 1% of the entire ClickBank's users in that sense. And in fact, this is not the first time I'm actually getting this award. I've been getting this award in year 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and of course now 2020 for the past 7 years straight in a row. Now, there's a reason why I bring this up. It is not to tell you about my success with ClickBank, but I want to help you by sharing with you the 4 myths that are preventing you to succeed as a ClickBank top affiliate. Now, I think that being a ClickBank super affiliate and also a ClickBank platinum partner, I sort of know a bit or two about being a top affiliate, right? So I've seen so many gurus and experts be teaching about how to become a super affiliate, how to make money online with ClickBank and so on, and many of them are, well, I would say not 100% true. And sometimes they could even be misleading. So I thought of, hey, you know what? I think that I should share with you and everyone else what are these 4 biggest myths. The first one is this myth number 1. I need credibility to succeed as a ClickBank affiliate marketer. You've heard this before, right? That only the experts or gurus can achieve tremendous success being a ClickBank affiliate marketer. Reality? No, you don't need credibility, but you need a brand. So this is very different. Credibility means that you got to have success stories, for instance, right? Or even testimonials. But a brand means how you are different. Now, let me speak slower so that you can capture the essence of it. You need credibility if you are to become a ClickBank vendor as a product owner. But being an affiliate, your job is sending traffic or recommending website visitors to the vendor's website, to the product owner's website, where that part needs credibility. But as an affiliate, you need a brand to influence others to check out the affiliate program that you are promoting. So here's one idea called the student branding strategy. So let's say you don't have credibility. You're not a best-selling author. You're not an international speaker. You're none of those because you just got started. So you can use the student branding strategy. So what you do is that you become an quote unquote apprentice towards a product or a mentor. So when I use the word product or mentor here, I'm actually referring to the affiliate program that you want to promote. So let's say you're promoting, let's say, just my product for discussion's sake. So if you be an apprentice towards what I'm teaching or my product, right, then it's very easy for you to recommend it, which leads to the next point is that you can promote the product through your own experience as a case study. So you don't need to go out there and be like all of those affiliates who just promote products simply trying to generate some affiliate sales, but you're just demonstrating how you are getting benefits from the product. So this way, you're branding yourself very differently, which means that right now you have affinity towards the affiliate program that you're promoting. Again, that's what makes you different. That's where it creates the brand. And all you need to do is journal your entire process. So you don't need to have a results right now to promote something because it's a journal, right? Next myth. Internet marketing niche in ClickBank, it's too competitive. Now, let me just say it in another way. Because the reality is that that's the niche that will generate passive income and also massive income for you. So is it because they do not want to have competitors and they tell you that it is competitive? Well, because this niche can generate lots of income for you. Why other niche does not help affiliates to work less and earn more, apart than the internet marketing niche and certain niches? So Let's say we take a generic niche like a cure something niche, which means like teeth whitening, quit smoking, cure something. As an affiliate, it's sort of disadvantage to you if you want to work less and earn more. Because if you are in that niche, it doesn't make sense to give them 10 solutions. Now, let's say you are in the teeth whitening niche, right? Does it make sense that if you say build your own followers, audience, or mailing list, you're going to promote 10 different ebooks about like teeth whitening? Because all of them goes back to the same solution. It doesn't make sense, right? Which means that it's very hard for you to increase the value of your list or increase the value of your followers because they can only buy one solution. Next, there are not many $500 to $1,000 affiliate programs for you to promote. I mean, would someone buy a course about teeth whitening and spend like $1,000? That's going to be very, very far-fetched, right? Or let's say $1,000 course on how to lose weight. Well, very far-fetched too. You see where I'm coming from? But in the internet marketing niche, it's so common that clients invest $500 to $1,000 or even more on programs because they want to seek success. Like for instance, yourself, you could have invested in programs for $500, right? Or even $1,000. So you yourself could be the example of a real life proof. Next, there is unlikely any niche market in the world that has so many new products being launched every day. In the internet marketing niche, I can kid you not, every single day there will be like a new program, new course, a new software being launched. It means that you have so many options of affiliate programs to promote, which also allows you to increase your affiliate commissions. Let's go to the third myth. The third myth is this: email marketing is dead. And you know who said this? These are usually said by someone, another internet marketer who is trying to sell you something else that is not email marketing, right? The reality is this: it depends on which niche market that you're in. So it can still be true that email marketing is probably less effective but not dead. But if you are in the quote unquote right niche market, email marketing is alive and doing very, very well. Example, do you check emails every day? Do you? Well, every single day I check like, maybe 10 times because I'm in a niche market where we communicate through emails. So it's about you choosing the quote unquote right niche market to be effective. But at the same time, my suggestion is always look into other marketing channels at the same time. So when you are advertising on the internet, or should I say marketing on the internet, don't just rely on email marketing. Don't just rely on emails. Use other marketing channels too, especially social media. Lastly, is the real myth. The real myth is you can make $1,000 per day with absolutely no experience or whatsoever. That is the real myth. That this doesn't really exist, but it has been presented that way so that these so-called experts, gurus, marketers can sell their courses to you. Can you make $1,000 per day? The answer is yes, but you gotta have some tools, resources, and of course, being trained with the right knowledge and expertise, right? So, if you are looking into launching your affiliate marketing business with ClickBank for 2020, I'll just suggest you to check out our latest CB Passive Income Elite. There's no fancy like picture on this video and so on. Now, if you want, there should be a button somewhere on this video or on this webpage. Click on that, check it out, and make 2020 work for you. With that said, this is Patric Chan here. I look forward to hear of your success story one day. Take care.